and processed ingredients. You can also bring healthy snacks with you on your flight, like fresh fruit or nuts. Another thing to consider when flying is the impact of jet lag on your skin. Jet lag can disrupt your circadian rhythm, which can affect your skin's natural repair process. To minimize the effects of jet lag on your skin, try to adjust to your destination's time zone as quickly as possible, and get plenty of rest and hydration. Additionally, it's important to be mindful of the products you use on your skin when flying. Harsh, abrasive products can strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it feeling dry and irritated. Look for gentle, hydrating products that are designed for sensitive skin, and avoid using new products that you haven't tried before. If you have a long flight ahead of you, consider bringing a travel-size skincare kit with you. This can include items like a gentle cleanser, a hydrating toner, a moisturizer, and a lip balm. You can also bring a small bottle of your favorite face oil or serum to give your skin an extra boost of hydration. Another great way to take care of your skin when flying is to book a facial or massage before or after your flight. Many airports now have spas and salons where you can get a quick treatment to help you relax and rejuvenate your skin. You can also bring a travel-size facial roller or gua sha tool with you to use during your flight, which can help to stimulate circulation and reduce puffiness. Finally, remember to be patient and kind to your skin when flying. It's natural for your skin to go through some changes when you're flying, and it may take some time to fully recover. By following these tips and giving your skin the care and attention it deserves, you can help to minimize the effects of flying on your skin and keep it looking healthy and radiant. In addition to the above tips, it's important to also pay attention to the air quality of the plane. The air on planes is often recycled and can be full of pollutants and allergens, which can be harmful to your skin and overall health. To combat this, consider bringing a small air purifier or a face mask with a HEPA filter to help filter out these pollutants. It's also important to remember that different climates and environments can have different effects on your skin. When traveling to a new destination, it's important to research the climate and adjust your skincare routine accordingly. For example, if you're traveling to a humid destination, you may want to use lighter, oil-free moisturizers and avoid heavy, occlusive products. Furthermore, frequent flyers may experience skin problems such as acne, rosacea, or eczema due to the dry, recycled air on planes. In such cases, it's best to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options. Lastly, it's worth considering the impact of stress on your skin when flying. Traveling can be stressful and cause increased levels of cortisol, a stress hormone, which can lead to inflammation and breakouts. To minimize stress, try to plan ahead, arrive at the airport early, and give yourself plenty of time to relax and unwind before your flight. Another important factor to consider when it comes to skincare while flying is the food you consume. Airplane food is often high in sodium, which can cause dehydration and puffiness in the face.